The wonderful world of affiliate marketing and how to make it work for you. Are you feeling like you don't know enough about affiliate marketing? If you feel like you need to expand your knowledge on affiliate marketing, then you're already on the right track. The thing about affiliate marketing is that you always need to be on the lookout for new pieces of information, so take some time to read the tips in this video about affiliate marketing. Providing a forum for your website's users can be a lot of work, but it can also provide a lot of benefits. A space where your customers can talk to each other and to you directly will give you valuable feedback on what they do and don't like about your website. You can use this information to improve the services and products you offer. Signing on with a pay-per-sale affiliate marketing plan is risky, but it can pay off. When you have a PPS affiliate, you will only be paid if advertising on your site induces a visitor to make a purchase from the advertiser. This is a rare occurrence. When it does happen, though, the payout can be considerable, possibly even a commission on the product sold. Another way to make your affiliate advertising venture a success is to put information and support into the product that you are referring. If you simply put ads up, your visitors will probably not follow through with a purchase. If you give a review of a product or suggest a product, then you might get more hits. With the information that you've been given in this video, you should be feeling more confident about getting into affiliate marketing. Just remember to stay positive and remember that everyone who's gotten into affiliate marketing had to start somewhere. Anyone who has become successful has expanded their knowledge and then applied that knowledge to the best of their ability. If you try your best to do the same, you will see the results. Student loan.